This is NASA Seas, an internship connecting nearly 100 high school juniors and seniors from around the United States to collaborate on ongoing research with industry-leading mentors. Out of all the opportunities and extensions this internship had to offer, this is ultimately a story about the Pathfinders, the first 4 students in NASA Seas history to fly their research in zero-G through parabolic flight. Hello, my name is Kingslien, and I was one of the 4 Seas interns selected to fly my research in microgravity. During my internship, I was a proud member of the Moon Exploration and Habitation team, where our research had to mitigate astronaut exposure to lunar regolith dust. Contributing to the solution of this problem was a direct pipeline for submitting my zero-G proposal. Plus, the adrenaline junkie in me was screaming at me to experience true weightlessness.
Hi, my name is Zoe Zlatic. I'm a current freshman at the University of Southern California. I was on the 2023 Engineer Your World Return to Venus team at SEAS. As part of that project, my team and I designed, built, and tested a prototype for an entry, descent, and landing craft for a Venus mission. I had known about the zero-G aircraft since I was a little kid. But never in my life did I think I would get to fly on it with my own research as a high schooler.
This is Londyn Franklin. I am a SEAS alumni of 2023. I was on the Texas Atmospheric and Space Research team, TASER for short. It was the first all-girls team for the SEAS program, and I am so proud to be part of a group of trailblazing women. This is my first time getting involved with research through the SEAS program, and it was such a profound experience, and it really opened me up to my love for research.
To create my research proposal, I learned CAD and SolidWorks from scratch and created an apparatus that tested multiple fabrics adhesion rates against a simulated lunar dust storm. The culmination of these efforts resulted in a 21-page research proposal full of engineering and passion. Assistance from research mentors such as Dr. Kevin Crosby was paramount in revising my project to the mechanical design I ended up flying. Additionally, my mentors connected me with Professor Alvaro Romero Calvo from Georgia Tech to conduct a secondary experiment on the diamagnetic properties of water-based air pockets. I couldn't be more thankful to navigate this process with such a great team behind me.
I tested water purification on board the zero-G aircraft. I used a centrifuge and Procter & Gamble's purifier of water to test whether or not artificial gravity would allow for contaminants, which in my case were lunar and Martian soil simulants, to be removed from water. Working with mentors was just absolutely amazing because these are people that have had years of experience both in research but also who have been on the zero-G aircraft themselves. So it was really great to sort of have that perspective and be able to pick their brains a little bit.
My zero-gravity experiment involved looking at sodium polyacrylate, which is a polymer, and incorporating it into the existing spacesuit. And so through these virtual speaker series, I learned the radiation protection within the suits today was not efficient enough for us to continue to travel deeper into space. So it really put initiative for me to want to do something about it because I want to be an astronaut and I wanted to be able to protect not only future astronauts that are coming before me, but also myself when I want to enter this field. And so I use these beads, which are high in hydrogen, to attenuate the radiation. And so the encouragement from the SEAS mentors and the program and everybody that supported me was definitely something that helped me to keep going and believe in myself.
I successfully conducted all trials of my 2 research projects, and I had ample opportunity to explore the lunar gravity environment I one day wish to spend my life supporting. This experience cemented my goal of becoming an aerospace engineer. Now I'm applying to the colleges of my dreams, and being able to show that I've had the SEAS and microgravity experience makes me more confident hitting that submit button.
I'm studying astronautical engineering and I am actually in the process of forming a zero-G research team because of my experience with SEAS and the zero-G flight.
It's really cool to watch my experiment in action. I was so proud of the results and proud of this experience and just so thankful for being able to participate in something so amazing as the SEAS program.
I couldn't agree more with Londyn. The NASA SEAS program truly fosters student-driven research, and we would like to thank NASA for enabling and growing this internship, alongside supporting organizations such as SciAct, the Wisconsin Space Grant Consortium, Space for Teachers, and zero-G. And who can forget our mentors, who invested much of their time to our development. After this support and experience, we know that the sky is far from our limits.